You showed up to help can? Well, I'm so glad because that's why I haven't been around YouTube lately. My tomatoes are pounding on the door. Now I need you to go down to the cellar and get me 7 quarts for tomato soup. Why are you still standing there? Go. Oh great, you're back from the cellar. Now if you can do me a favor and wash all these jars. I think we have almost 40 quarts of vegetable soup to go to the cellar. Then we're gonna ladle up the tomato soup. Why am I making all this soup? Oh, it's fall. That reminds me of the time I made vegetable soup last year for YouTube. I have a big announcement. I'm hosting September this year. Say what? That's what I'm saying. But I loved doing it last year. And who doesn't love a good recipe for soup? I asked 31 other channels to come and join me in this collaboration. So that's a lot of soup recipes you're going to enjoy. Leave a comment down below. What is your favorite soup? I would love to know. In this collaboration, I have Pike Creek Farm. I have My Table of 3. Hillbilly Kitchen Farm. Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming, Arizona. Bare Bones Living. And if I lose my train of thought. Inquisitive Farm Wife. Nine Acre Family Farm. Greg's Kitchen. The Flavorful Home. Andale Homestead. In the Kitchen with Karen. The Fermented Homestead. What's Up Family Home. Lazy Days Ahead. Kettle Kitchen. Boo's Self-Reliance. Living a Rogue Life. Jenny's Scratch Made Kitchen. My Aussie Garden and Kitchen. Danny Day's Homestead. Homesteading with the Zimmermans. Nana 9 Acres. Gather Together Homestead. Becoming a Farm Girl. Mouse Toes. Ormsby Farms. Mudda Mascara Homestead. Freedom Homestead. Chris and Larry Homestead. 2 Lilu Creates. And Vicky's Country Home. Now you're going to say, why would I want to watch? I'm telling you, you are going to want to watch. Links to all the channels will be down in the description box down below. Then on October 1st, I'll be hosting a live stream where I'll be picking random videos and choosing random comments for prizes. And I want to note that YouTube deletes comments that are the same comment on each video. And I want you to win. So leave genuine comments on all these videos because we want you to win. What am I giving away? I'm giving away 2 $50 gift cards for Amazon and $100 Amazon gift card. And if you are in the live stream, there will be door prizes. I'm not going to say what those things are yet. You just have to be there to find out. This giveaway is not sponsored by YouTube in any way, and you have to be 18 or older. And please go share the love and subscribe to all these wonderful channels if you're not already. Now, I'm gonna go back to canning my soup, if you don't mind. Even though I missed doing videos for you. Hopefully we'll have one up soon, because I love making these videos for you. I hope you're excited about September just as much as I am. And let's hit the ground running at my channel on September 1st. Hope to see you there.